Hi guys, welcome to TC Toys. Let's get started on the video. So this one, kind of cool, because look, so this trigger right here, that shoots it, and right here, there's another trigger, and on this trigger, it does a laser. And so this, actually let's do this. So this one was my first gun I had. Oh wow. You pull this, and then this one, and then this one, really cool. Ooh, let's do this one next. So this part right here, if you pull this back, it opens this. Wait, let me shoot it real quick. Then this will close. Look. See? And then that's how that one does. Oh, let's do this one. So right here, you pull it back like this, and it shoots. And then, what about this? Like that. And then, so this part comes off, and then it could go on, off. And then this is if you want it to shoot. So you pull that up, and then you pull that back, and you pull it forward.